Hi there, my name is Herbert. I'm the CEO of Careertrotter. I'm originally from the Netherlands, came to Ireland in 2003, have been involved in recruitment since 2006 and started Careertrotter in 2010. Careertrotter is an international recruitment agency and we specialise in multilingual and IT recruitment. On the multilingual side, we focus on hard to find languages like Dutch and German, and you will often hear us talk about our own sources and our own websites. Why is that? As the candidates are multilingual, they speak two languages and they are able to search jobs in two languages. So on the Careertrotter.eu we attract the candidates in English, but on Careertrotter.de and Careertrotter.nl we attract candidates in German and Dutch. What does that mean for you? Is that the candidates that we get through those websites tend to be unique to Careertrotter and not in touch with other companies that purely advertise in English. Meaning we're able to send exclusive candidates to our clients and build stronger candidate pipelines for our clients. If you are looking for languages like Dutch and German and you're looking to build a stronger pipeline, drop me a line, give me a call, and I'm happy to talk to you. My number is 00353 15242420 or email me herbert@careertrotter.eu. Have a great day.